Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ucentral app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ucentral is a medical reference app designed for institutions, healthcare professionals, and students. It brings together a suite of trusted medical resources like drug guides, disease manuals, diagnostic tools, and clinical calculators, all in one place. Users can search across multiple titles simultaneously, bookmark frequently used content, and access the platform both online and offline, ideal for hospital or classroom settings. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate how fast and reliable the search function is, especially when referencing multiple textbooks at once. The interface is clean and professional, and syncing across devices works smoothly. Institutions benefit from centralized access to essential resources without needing multiple logins. The app also includes regular updates, which is crucial in clinical environments. That said, it's not without flaws. Some users report occasional syncing delays with new content, and the app can feel heavy or slow on older devices. A few find the navigation within certain titles a bit clunky. Also, individual access outside an institutional license may be expensive for solo practitioners or students. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Ucentral is a powerful and convenient app for medical professionals and students, especially within institutional settings. It saves time, reduces the need for multiple apps, and ensures updated clinical knowledge is always on hand. Still, depending on your device and license access, the experience may vary slightly. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.